Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about flavor-packed fat loss. Now, what I have for you today is absolutely insane. So many of you do, I never realized that there is one food that actually has more flavor than all of your favorite foods combined. And even better than that, it helps you burn more fat than any other food out there. This is amazing because now you can actually enjoy your food while you lose weight instead of feeling like you on a diet. Now, this particular food is in the produce section. It's super low in calories. It's high in fiber, so it will fill you up. It also helps to improve your immune system, your cognitive function, and can even help to increase longevity. This is big. Listen to this because there's some pretty wild facts that you probably didn't know. So, I'm talking about mushrooms. You heard me right. Mushrooms. There are over 14,000 varieties of mushrooms, and they are used in traditional medicine in many different countries around the world. They can be cooked or eaten raw. They grow naturally in most parts of the world, and they grow best in damp, humid environments. So today I am gonna share with you some pretty amazing benefits of mushrooms and why you should start eating them every day. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. We always bring you the best tips and tricks on losing weight, keeping it off, and improving your health. Let's get started. Okay, so first let's talk about the incredible health benefits of mushrooms. No! 1. They have anti-inflammatory properties. Now, inflammation is a good thing when it is acute, because it means that your body is fighting off an infection or healing itself from an injury. However, chronic inflammation is not a good thing and has been linked to cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Now, luckily, mushrooms contain anti-inflammatory properties which may help to reduce the risk of these diseases. So studies show that the polysaccharides found in mushrooms such as beta-glucans can play a role in reducing inflammation throughout your entire body. No. 2. They have antioxidant properties. So, antioxidants help to protect your cells against free radicals, which can cause damage to your DNA. Free radicals are produced when your body breaks down food or drinks, or when you're re-exposed to environmental toxins. And this can lead to cell damage or even cell death. Now, too much cell damage can cause aging and certain diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. But here's where mushrooms come into play because they contain several antioxidants, including phenolic compounds and carotenoids, both of which have been shown to help protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases. Next point, they help boost your immune system. Now, as I mentioned earlier, mushrooms contain polysaccharides, which are complex sugars that have been shown to stimulate the immune system. A study published in the International Journal of Medicinal Mushrooms found that consuming a shiitake mushroom extract increased the number of immune cells in mice, making them less likely to get sick. Now, eating just 1 cup of sliced mushrooms provides 3 grams of fiber. Fiber is important for gut health and has been shown to improve digestion and prevent constipation. In fact, eating more fiber has been shown to reduce the risk of developing diverticulitis, which is a condition that causes inflammation in the digestive tract. So, next point is that mushrooms are high in B vitamins. B vitamins are important for energy production, brain function, and cell metabolism. Just 1 cup of sliced mushrooms contains 41% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin B5, which is important for converting food into energy. Mushrooms are also a good source of riboflavin, which is important for maintaining healthy skin and vision. And then next is they are very low in calories. As I mentioned earlier, mushrooms are a great option for those who are looking to lose weight because they are very low in calories. Just 1 cup of sliced mushrooms contains only 15 calories. Mushrooms are also a good source of protein, providing 3 grams of protein per cup. This makes them a great option for vegetarians and vegans who are looking to add more protein to their diet. So, next point is that mushrooms can help regulate blood sugar levels. Blood sugar regulation is important for everyone, but it is especially important for those who have diabetes or are at risk for developing diabetes. Luckily, mushrooms contain compounds that have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that consuming a shiitake mushroom extract helped to lower blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. Another study published in the same journal found that consuming a lioness mane mushroom extract helped to improve insulin sensitivity in diabetic mice. Alright, so that's a lot of amazing benefits from these mushrooms. But wait! It gets even better because we're really going to dive into some really cool studies about how mushrooms help you burn fat. So, the first study that I want to discuss is a double-blind randomized trial that was published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition. In this study, participants were given either a placebo or 24 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms for 8 weeks. The results showed that the participants who consumed shiitake mushrooms lost significantly more weight than the placebo group. In fact, they lost an average of 4.4 pounds, which is pretty significant considering that they were only taking 24 grams of mushrooms per day. And even better than that, they also reduced their waist circumference by an average of 2 inches. This shows that shiitake mushrooms can help to reduce fat specifically around the midsection, which is often the most stubborn area for men. So if you're looking to burn belly fat, shiitake mushrooms might be a good option for you. Now, another study that I want to discuss is a meta-analysis that was published in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture. In this study, the researchers looked at 6 different studies that investigated the effects of consuming white button mushrooms on body weight and fat mass. The results showed that consuming just 10 grams of white button mushrooms per day led to a significant reduction in both body weight and fat mass. The researchers concluded that consuming mushrooms regularly can help to reduce fat mass and body weight, which makes sense given that mushrooms are very low in calories and high in fiber, which can help keep you full while you're burning fat. So I would suggest starting out by simply adding sliced mushrooms to your salads or other dishes that you already eat on a regular basis. And you can easily work your way up to 10 grams per day, which is about 1/3 of a cup of sliced mushrooms. So if you're a guy and you're really struggling to burn off that last bit of belly fat, or if you're a woman and you're looking to tone up your arms and your legs, consider adding mushrooms to your diet. It won't burn the fat off by itself, but it will certainly speed up the process. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of this content, please share your success story in the link down below. Hey, guys! I hope you're really enjoying this content so far, and I hope you're reapplying this knowledge to your health and your fitness. But I also realize that a lot of you guys are still struggling to lose weight and to keep it off. And the reason for that is simple. It is because you need a done-for-you plan that takes into account all of the variables that influence your weight, including your hormones, your metabolism, your schedule, and your lifestyle. And that's exactly what we do over at our site. Our team of experts, which includes doctors, nutritionists, and master coaches, will create a personalized plan that is designed to help you lose weight and to keep it off for good. With this plan, you'll get a personalized meal plan based on your preferences and your lifestyle, a recipe book, a shopping list, and a 42-day workout plan that can be done either at home or at the gym. Plus, ULL have a coach to guide you through the entire process and answer any questions that you might have. The best part is that this program is guaranteed to work. If you follow the plan and you don't see results, we will give you your money back. No questions asked. So if you're serious about losing weight and keeping it off, I strongly encourage you to check this out. To find out more, you just need to click the link in the description below or visit our website directly. See you soon.